Electrolux Ergorapido Stick Cleaner Lightweight Cordless Vacuum with LED nozzle lights and turbo battery power, for carpets and hard floors, in satin white. 180-degree EasySteer technology means that the Ergorapido stick vacuum can maneuver and clean hair, dirt and dust in hard-to-reach places thanks to the flexible vacuum base. BrushRoll Clean helps you keep your vacuum clean by releasing stubborn hair and fibers from the vacuum brush. Easy to use by pressing a button at the top of the nozzle. Run your vacuum for up to 48 minutes on a single charge and maximize your cleaning time with the Turbo Power HD lithium battery for high-performance cleaning. The upright vacuum's motorized nozzle provides powerful suction with a high dust pickup rate, while the bright LED lights on the nozzle highlight dust, hair and dirt in dark spaces. Details product by link in description. Get best price and discount for this product. You can click link in description. See you.